Friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we enable eyes protection mode in our Samsung phone. Friends, you want to enable your eyes protection mode setting in your Samsung phone, so friends you can enable it. And friends, now let's see how to enable eyes protection mode in our Samsung phone. In this video friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all guys, we will on our phone setting to enable eyes protection mode, then guys we will scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your display and brightness setting. Friends, tap here again scroll. Friends, you can see your eye comfort shield means eyes protection mode guys you want to on, means you want to enable, you can enable from here. After enable guys, your screen color will change into like that cream color. So you can see guys your screen color will change. So like that guys, you can enable your eyes protection mode in your Samsung phone. And how can you use? So when you study in phone and when you operate phone at night, so you should enable your, means you should on your eyes protection mode, then guys you can use your phone easily. So like that guys, you can enable your eyes protection mode in your Samsung phone and you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video, bye bye guys.